teachers, today I'm going to model a Brainingcamp share code that you could use as a teaching tool in your classroom. To access this number routine, enter this 8-digit code from the Brainingcamp homepage. In this activity, we will be modeling a random number between 10 and 20 in a variety of ways. The first step is to use the linking cubes to build that number in the frames. Encourage your students to count along with you. Next, we will be using 2 different colored linking cubes to represent the number 15 on the number path. Turn on the group labels so students can see the part-whole relationship. Now we will be completing the number bond using the same 2 addends modeled below on the number path. I color-coded my number inputs to match the linking cubes below. To change your colors, click here. You can use the number path below to help determine one more and one less. My favorite part of this activity is rolling the dice until you reach the correct sum. This provides a great opportunity for math talk and composing numbers in different ways. Students can also count the dots on the dice to see what we are missing. I hope your students enjoy this activity and it can be a part of your instructional routines. Have a great day, and thanks for being a teacher.